Through our working relationship with Autoliv, one thing I'm highly aware of and I find to be very true about your brand is a focus on quality and safety. It's the core of what your company brings to market and what your employee base is passionate about as part of your work. I think data and the amount that you capture and curate and store around your manufacturing process and operations is frankly ahead of the curve and impressive in many ways. So there's something about how you think about data as a strategic asset, the value that data can place in terms of driving efficient operations. Danny, can you speak a little bit about how the business views this, what sort of changes you're driving to enable that?
Yeah, I'd say the way we typically approach that is first we take a look at what are the business outcomes that we're trying to drive. Before we start digging into the data sources and the types of data and the structure of the data, we really try to tie it back to the business outcome. Specifically, can we affect the quality of our product? Or if we wanted to affect the quality of our product, how would we want to affect it? What things would we want to control? Or what are some sources of inefficiencies in our business? What are the things that cause us to have to do rework? What are the things that cause equipment to go down? And then we back into the data that we need in order to influence that outcome. So with that, we're able to really put a dollar value onto that and say, hey, this data, if we could capture this data and do something with it, we can really affect this or that business outcome.